Alright, today I'm showing you a very basic wiring diagram. Your home run here, a single pole switch here, and a regular house light here. Alright, first you start off by doing your neutral right here. 2-wire splice here, 1 wire here, 1 wire here. Runs all the way down, connects to the neutral screw on your light. And then you do your hots. You splice here, 1 wire, 1 wire is 2 wire. Connects here onto the switch. And then this is a switch leg, which means that the wire comes from the switch to the light. It controls the light onto the brass screw. Alright, and that's basically it.